Hey yo web travelers, look at this, that's Bleach. And we're gonna open it right now. Alright, I see a pattern last time with those boxes. They have always a promo pack in it, which is cool. I don't hate it. Let me do this. And now we move on. We are starting with SSR. The cards are only 2 in the pack, brother. Come on, that's lame. But okay. Let's see how the cards look. Because the shine is kind of cool. The character looks alright. What do we have here? We have some ultra rare. Don't know how special this is. Different art style than the SSR. And the back changes colors in case of the rarity. Okay. We have Rook, I fucking remember. And this chick, kind of the same ultra rare SSR, alright. Let's get to the promo pack. Let's see what's in here. But how the fuck did I open this? Okay, some intrigue. Let's see. We get an ZR Yamamoto, of course. That's his name. Thank you, card, for reminding me. It looks cool. Fellow web travelers, not only you can support me at my coffee page, but also you can find information how to get a free promo packs at my coffee page. So go get there. Especially if you want to buy some boxes. Go there, trust me. You won't be disappointed. Alright. I forgot all the Bleach names, because I'm really bad at the names. Hi, if you're new. I suck ass with the names of the characters. That's Naruto. I think, I'm not sure, I don't believe very much, but I think maybe it's Luffy. I'm joking, because that's Jotaro. But I really forget a lot of names, I just can't remember them. I remember characters, how they look like, but not the names. Oh, this card is thick? Holy shit, okay. And those are all my X's now. EX rarity, all the babes together. If the camera can focus, thank you. That's cool. Okay, we've seen some special shit. That's cool. We have Ichigo, very nice. Kinda little spoiler, because I'm not there yet. I haven't read the manga. I'm only watching the anime. I don't think the anime is there yet. We have the cat boy. Very cool. Oh, he has a name, obviously. I'm not gonna read that. Holy shit. Okay, we have this fellow. Oh my god, I forgot every names. Hey, we have another special card. And CP, which looks kind of cool. Not gonna lie. It looks cute. Come on. Yeah, look at the shine. Shit, man. Not only it's cute, it's beautiful. This one is very thick. I guess that's an indication that this is a special card. Because that's what they do now. They make a card thick and they're like, well, job is done. It's special card, man. It's thick. I hate this, by the way. I'd rather that they make a card that feels special, not because it's thick, but because it looks special. But the card was good, so I'm not hating on this one. I'm just speaking in general. Holy shit, what? What the fuck? Yeah, get out of here, man. What the fuck? And they are shiny. Shit. I can look at this all day, man. Holy moly. Okay, okay, the back is also very nice. How did the back look here? Oh yeah, I already seen it. I need more of these pieces. Please, give me the bottom one. Or the upper. I would like to see the face of this beauty. What the hell, man? Oh yeah, man. One of my probably favorite waifu. Yeah, it's my favorite waifu from Bleach. Number 1, let's go. I love it. And we have him with him. Damn, he was cool, very edgy at the time. But oh no, first double. Yeah, more bubbles, please. Yeah. I take it, man. Now, box, you're getting me hype. But also, the shit now you're pulling is not allowed in our web travelers community. You are not allowed to have puzzle pieces if your pack contains 3 or less cards. But I let it slide, because 2 puzzle pieces that I got were boobas. So, we just moving on. Okay, another very good waifu from Bleach. Probably number 2 on my Bleach waifu tier list. We have you. I think we have already seen you. Hey, we had another. What did I told you? I know shit, man. Where's the stupid ZR? I mean, that's that's not bad by any means. It's kind of good that they give you a promo pack where they can showcase a rarity that you can get in the box, because that would mean that you will get 2 of them, which is what happened here. But most of the time, promo packs in those boxes are special and unique to promo packs. Like, you only can get these promo cards out of the promo pack. This was not the case, and I felt this, and now I proved to you, and that's 2 and that's 4. Do they actually go together or something like this? I don't think they do. And that brings us to the last pack. Shit, man, that was fast. Ah, please, I want to see more of this. Come on. One more chance. One more, no. Oh. But I got 2 important pieces out of this puzzle, so that's alright. No! There's 3rd one. I only see it now. There's the 3rd one. I need 1 more. Damn it. I kind of want to complete this set now. I mean the puzzle, but it's gonna hurt ass. So I can't. I just financially can't complete this puzzle. It hurts. It hurts so much. But yeah, I'm gonna be happy with what I've got, and I've got some boobas. So thank you for watching, Web Travelers. Let me know in the comments what you think of this box, and don't forget to check the video description to support me in any way you want to. I'll see you in another one, Web Travelers.